The remarkable emergence of millions of red-eyed cicadas after 17 years underground has begun across the eastern United States. These fascinating insects, part of the Brood 14 population, are already appearing in southern regions while northern states prepare for a massive outbreak in the coming days. This natural phenomenon represents one of nature's most extraordinary life cycles, captivating scientists and curious observers alike. As soil temperatures steadily rise across the eastern United States, millions of periodic cicadas are preparing for their dramatic return. After spending 17 years developing underground, these remarkable insects are now emerging in vast numbers. First sightings have already been reported in southern states through the citizen science application Cicada Safari, which tracks their appearance. This emergence follows a predictable pattern that has fascinated naturalists for centuries. The current wave belongs to Brood 14, one of several distinct populations of periodic cicadas that appear on different schedules. Unlike the exotic insects that occasionally make headlines, cicadas are native to the American landscape and play important ecological roles. When they emerge, these red-eyed insects transform from underground nymphs into winged adults, a remarkable metamorphosis. They'll climb vertical surfaces, shed their exoskeletons, mate, lay eggs, and die, all within a few short weeks. The synchronized emergence of billions of cicadas creates one of nature's most impressive spectacles, particularly memorable for their distinctive red eyes and deafening chorus. The last time this specific brood of cicadas appeared was early summer 2008. For many Americans, this emergence marks the passage of nearly 2 decades, serving as living time capsules that connect different chapters of human lives. Cicadas belong to the order Hemiptera, which includes various insects like stink bugs, bedbugs, and aphids, while approximately 3,500 cicada species exist worldwide. The periodic varieties emerging every 13 or 17 years are uniquely American. According to Chris Simon, a cicada specialist at the University of Connecticut, only 2 other unrelated species follow similar patterns found in northeastern India and Fiji. What makes these insects particularly fascinating is their synchronized life cycle. After hatching from eggs laid in tree branches, young cicada nymphs fall to the ground and burrow beneath the soil. There, they spend years feeding on tree root fluids before their simultaneous emergence. The deafening sound associated with cicada invasions comes exclusively from males, who produce this distinctive noise to attract females. This sound can reach 100 decibels, comparable to a motorcycle or lawnmower, when millions sing in unison. Unlike predatory animals that might pose danger, adult cicadas don't consume solid food and pose no threat to humans, pets, or garden plants. Their massive numbers serve as their primary defense strategy, emerging in such overwhelming quantities that predators become satiated while leaving enough survivors to reproduce. Far from being mere noisemakers, cicadas perform crucial ecological functions. Their emergence provides a protein-rich feast for numerous wildlife species, including birds, raccoons, foxes, and turtles. When cicadas die, their decomposing bodies return significant nutrients to forest soils, benefiting plant growth. Egg-laying behavior creates natural pruning effects on trees, which can actually stimulate growth in subsequent seasons. Additionally, when nymphs burrow underground, they aerate the soil, improving its quality over their long development period. These remarkable insects face increasing threats from human activities. Deforestation and urban expansion have destroyed significant portions of their natural habitat. Climate change poses perhaps an even more insidious threat by disrupting their carefully timed life cycle. Scientists have documented increasing instances of cicadas emerging for years, too early or too late, often in numbers too small to ensure successful reproduction. This phenomenon could eventually threaten the long-term survival of these populations, according to researchers tracking their patterns. Just as marine scientists track changes in ocean ecosystems, entomologists are monitoring how cicada populations respond to environmental shifts. These insects serve as important bioindicators for ecosystem health across eastern North America. As we welcome these red-eyed visitors in May 2025, their emergence offers a chance to reconnect with natural cycles that long predate human civilization and may well outlast it. For animals that spend 99% of their lives underground, their brief moment in the sunlight reminds us to appreciate life's fleeting moments, much like efforts to provide new beginnings for struggling creatures.